Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to unblock users on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Now, at the top of the screen, you will see the three horizontal lines. Tap on it. And you can see settings there. Click on it. After tapping on settings, you will see many options. From there, choose Privacy and Security. You will see the Blocked Users option under the Privacy section. Tap on it. And here, you will see the list of the users you have blocked on Telegram. Now tap on the three dots which is located at the side of the users. Click on the option Unblock User. And you will successfully unblock the user on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to unblock users on Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.